Today we are finally gonna give my Mustang a full detail. Finally, it's been like months since I finally washed it, like an actual proper wash. I don't think I've ever washed it after putting on all the carbon. So, a little video of me detailing it, giving it a nice little wash, and yeah, just clean it up. Cause yeah, this car has just been sitting, especially in like this storage unit. It just like all the dust comes onto it and everything. So you could just see it's filthy. I kind of not washed, but just wiped the front down, and you can see the difference. There's not that much dust on it. But that was a couple days ago because it was raining, so I just pushed it outside and washed the front real quick. But I'm about to give it a full nice detail, wash the wheels, cause yeah, this thing is filthy. I make a cool little cinematic video, take the car out. I haven't drove it in a few weeks. I don't really drive it much because other things, priorities in life are kind of making this on hold at the moment, but only for a little bit. So very pumped to start working on this thing again, getting more parts. But yeah, it has been on hold for a little bit, but still a lot more to do. We gotta do the big wing, we gotta do a cage inside, I gotta get a passenger seat, I gotta get Euro tail lights. There's still a lot of things to do, so get excited, because yeah, it's all gonna be coming together very soon after I get this business pretty much all done. But we're almost there with that. Only a few more things to grab with that too, so very excited. I'm so pumped for 2025. Got a lot of goals in mind, and yeah, just trying to be the fucking best. But first, gotta do a quick little cold start. I think the valves are closed, so I don't think it's gonna be too loud. It's pretty quiet. I have the valves closed, so. But damn, this car puts a smile on my face. Just gotta pump some gas. Hopefully there's no cops, but it should be good. Let's enjoy the drive. It's a little wet out too, so I might have a little fun. I gotta pump gas real quick. Makes me so nervous driving. Like I feel like I just gotta be on my toes, and it just like shit makes you nervous. Even though I'm not doing anything stupid or anything, it's just the cops are fucking crazy, man. But let's try to enjoy it as best as we can. We'll pump some gas, we'll wash it, just get out, try to enjoy it for a little bit. Hopefully make a quick little cool video for you guys. It's still a little misfire and a little which I need to check that out. But yeah, a lot of little things to do, but it still drives for the most part. This light is taking forever. bro, this car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got like a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I just started vlogging and shit. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What is you under?
Jordan R.
Jordan R on
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, Jordan R.
I'm one of those clowns right now that pumped gas on the wrong side. I forgot my gas cap was on this side instead of that side. So I'm one of these dumbasses right now that's doing this. That side. But that's how you know it's been a while since I took this. It's been a while since I took this car out. But about to get a little bit of gas and then go wash it. Made it in one piece. Nothing fell off. Little carbon pieces. I've been having issues with the side skirt falling off, but got these mounted. It's just a little add-on piece. Looks sick for the carbon. And then I fixed the suspension because I don't know if I said it, but yeah, literally like there's 2 bolts that hold the coilover in on the bottom, and then there's 2 that go into the top. The damn 2 bottom ones didn't even have nuts or bolts in them. Because I kept hearing clunking, and I was thinking, what the fuck? And then I jacked it up, and then finally seeing under that, yeah, they were missing. I was like, oh fuck. So got those bolts back in, and yeah, no more clunking anymore. So that's good. Little by little, we're checking off everything off the list because it's a lot of shit. It was a rush trying to build this car, honestly. Trying to get it up from LA to up here. So little by little, knocking shit off. But let's give it a quick little wash. God damn. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but look at that carbon. And I haven't even sprayed like a bead maker on it to make it pop even more, like a little paint sealant. So that's gonna make it pop even more. But fuck, that carbon is looking crazy. The white's throwing it off. I need to get that wrapped so bad. But yeah. Have a good one. It all cleaned up and washed. It's been like 2 years since I've actually fully cleaned this car. So yeah, it was in desperate need of being cleaned. But the carbon is popping now. I put a little bead maker on it, so that shit looks way, way better. You actually can see the carbon. Nice little weave. But I'm telling you, it's been at my parents' house probably sitting for like, it's been like 2 years plus. And then I finally did everything to it and then brought it up here, and it's just been sitting in storage. So yeah, this thing is filthy, but fuck, it looks so good when it's finally cleaned. I haven't seen it clean with all the carbon on there, and yeah, motivation's coming back for it. Seeing it all clean really makes me want to enjoy this car a lot more and take it out. I do want to take it to the track, so, but damn, I need to wrap all that stuff still too, but it's coming out very good. Alrighty, car wash done, checked, feeling good, it's looking good. Happy to finally get it all nice and clean. Now let's enjoy this little cruise back home and put her away. It feels so good to be driving this car. I just can't wait for it to be fully done, because I feel weird just taking it out. That's why I really haven't went to any meets, because I don't know, I'm like insecure about it's not done fully, and I don't know, I feel like in my eyes, why take something out and show it off if it's not like up to your standard and like looking good. But just happy to get it out and do little things like that for myself, wash the car, because it feels good to see it clean, give me my little motivation to finish it on YouTube, even if it's like a 5-minute, 10-minute video. Hopefully you guys enjoy that better than nothing. At least I would. But let me know what you guys think. I always like looking at the comments and seeing what you guys think, little feedback and stuff. Can't wait for that. Back in our cave, nice and clean. I do need to buy a car cover, which I'm gonna do that I think right now, honestly. Find a little cheap one on Amazon next day. Cause yeah, just being in here in general, it's just like dusty as hell. So alrighty, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it's not too short. I'm just trying to be a lot more consistent, even if it's a shorter video than usual. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I always like looking at you guys' feedbacks and just hearing what you guys think. It motivates me or changes things. Whatever you guys think, just throw your opinions down below. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.